Um, Hello guys. I will be trying this cookie I made by microwaving it. Um, I don't know if that's burnt or if that's just melted chocolate chips. For the record, I did not make this with white chocolate chips. I do not know what those white spots are. Might be radioactivity. First I'm going to get a cross section of this. This is hard as a brick right now. I'll be right back. This knife is broken. This knife is even struggling to cut it. My God, what have I created? I saw a YouTube video with this, and it looked delicious, but I don't know how I'm feeling about that. I'm gonna set this knife to the side before I cut myself. The inside is quite literally brick. Yeah, I think this could break a plate. I'm gonna attempt to bite through it. I have braces, so I might break them. My God. Ow. I microwaved this double the time that it said to, so that might be why. I bit off the top part here, the part that's not solidified to a brick state. Tastes not the greatest. I'm gonna try to get a bite of the chocolate part. By the way, this smells charred. Oh my God. Not the greatest. Wow. Nearly inedible due to its rock hard form. Its flavor is not very delectable. If I were to rate this on a scale of 1 to 10, I don't know if it should be classified as food. Here's I don't know if you can see that. I'm pretty sure you can see that, unless you're blind. Yeah, would not recommend. Yeah, I'm going to dispose of this. Well, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. Thank you. Hey guys, hope you liked the video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and put those post notifications on. I'll see you in the next video.